Review problems in finite math. Problem number 8. Identify a pattern in the given list of numbers. Then use this pattern to find the next number. More than one pattern might exist, so it is possible that there is more than one correct answer. So we have the series numbers here: 9, 20, 31, 42, 53. Now we have to observe the interval between the numbers, so see if we can see some patterns. So by doing subtraction, you go 20 minus 9, it gives you 11. So the interval for 9 and 20 is 11. And then let's see if the interval between 20 and 31 is 11. So if you add 11 here, for 20, it gives you 31. Adding 11 for 31, it gives you 42. Adding 11 to 42, it gives you 53. So we have a consistent pattern here. So plus 11, it gives you 64. And that would be our final answer there. So 64 is the answer for problem number 8. Problem number 9. Find the median for the following group of data items. So when you're working with median, that would be the middle of series of numbers. So the first step here is to arrange the data items from the smallest to the highest. So we will have 35. We have two 35s here. And then 55. We have 65 next. And the last number is 95. So the total of 5 data items. Again, total of 5 data items. So median, that would be the middle number. So we have here 55. So if you have two middle numbers, like we have 6 data items, then you just have to add the two numbers and divide it by 2 to get the median. But in this case, we have 5 data items, so the middle exactly, or the median exactly, would be 55. So 55 is the answer for number 9. That would be the median. Problem 10. A die is tossed. Find the odds against ruling a number greater than 3. Okay, so we have the keyword here, probability for odds against ruling a number greater than 3. So that probability odds against is equal to the probability of the number will not occur. So not E, that's the event, over the probability of occurrence or in favor of that event. Okay, so what would be the probability will not occur? So that's, remember, the sample space for a die is 6. So as you can see here, sample space, let's use a different color. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we have 6 phases. And it says number greater than 3. So the not occurrence here, it's the number that is less than 4. So that would include 3 here. So that would be the numbers. And then how many are there? That's 6 of them. So that's 3 out of 6. So our answer here would be 3 over 6 over our probability of in favor of the occurrence for the event, which is the number greater than 3. That would be the 4, 5, and 6, and you count that, that's 3 items there. So your probability of getting that would be 3 over 6 also. So dividing that, it gives you a 1, or you can say 1 over 1, and that would be equivalent to 1. Okay, so how did we get that? Remember, when we divide two fractions, you flip the second fraction over. So you will get something like this. Flipping the second fraction over, 3 over 6 will become 6 over 3. And you can do the process of cancellation. So 6 will be cancelled out. You'll get 1 here on the top, because 3 will be cancelled out also. So 1 over 1. So 1 times 1, that would be a 1 on the top, the numerator side. And 1 times 1 at the bottom is still 1. And that's how we get 1 over 1, or simply 1. But on the question asked here, this is the ratio. So you can just write 1 is to 1 in this case. So that would be the answer. Again, our answer is 1 is to 1, or 1 over 1 for problem number 10.